Let's see if I can open the bag this time.
This is gonna be cut out without no audio.
Other way. What are you
Got
doing?
it. Boom.
Undo it.
Wait, is this supposed to be? Hey, what's up, guys? Back to the 8-Bit channel. I'm Liam.
And I'm Connor.
And we will be doing bag 19, where we will be finishing the moving TV. It's going to be a short episode.
And this goes right here, so it looks like you're actually playing it.
Well, let's get to it.
All right.
Okay, so the memory was full in the phone, so we undid this.
So we're gonna technical difficulties.
Technical difficulties on the TV. Now we're gonna add the screen in
on the TV. Okay. So it works now, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, so we finally got it in after a while.
Uh-huh.
Now it will crank as the actual screen.
Yeah, and we have this star still left over, so star power activate, yeah.
Okay, so now thank you for joining us for bag 19.
With this awesome star power.
And we will see you in bag 20, where we add the roof
and stuff.
Thank you and good night. Okay, turn it off, man.
I think Rocky was in the first video.